So today I'm going to show you how they go about installing a brake in the handle on this bike, which is a drum rear brake. Now somebody was saying that they didn't install it right, so note to that. Now what they do is to have a left hand brake right here, brake lever, right, and they bought a cable. This is like a scooter cable, right, and they run the cable down here, they run it under the tank under here. So they run it, come down, see it right here, right there, they run it, and it's a straight cable that they run, straight cable, so it has no reservoir or nothing like that. So it's a straight cable they run it. And what they did was to weld on a piece of metal on the swing arm. So the person somebody looked at it and told me that this was the right way, right here, so it's where it should have been, but then put it down here. So basically they weld on this piece of metal and they bore a hole in it right here, so that the cable could fit like that. Yeah, so the cable could fit like that. So basically when they do that now, this is the original brake system over the left hand side here, this. So basically what they did was to weld this on, put the cable through, and they got some, I think they welded this on as well. They welded on this part, and they got these things which are for drum brake. I don't know what they are. I'm going to pop some information on the screen when I'm editing, so you'll know. So they put this on, they weld this on, and they put this on as well. So basically when you squeeze the brake lever, you normally hold the clutch like this and the brake lever like this. Normally that's how I see them doing it, the stunters. I may be wrong, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, so normally that's how they hold it, and they use the middle finger to apply the back brake. So this one now, when you apply the back brake, I'm going to get a video. When you press the back brake like that, basically when you press the handbrake, this also moves because it's connected. Everything is connected right here. So it's very basic. All you have to do is to get the proper attachment and thing. So the foot brake works. The foot brake is standard, right? Them not change anything about that, and they just go ahead and added the handbrake right here for a disc wheel now. So I was just sitting here wondering how they connect the brake in the angle, and this is basically how they do it. For a disc wheel, back wheel, you'd have to get a master cylinder, which normally goes right here. So for the drum one, you just connect everything. For the disc one, you'd have to get the master cylinder with the brake caliper, right? So the disc setup is more expensive. The drum one is cheaper. Yeah, so that is basically how they do it. Yeah.